So my secret project is that I've been working on a Kickstarter. I'm not gonna lie to you, for about the past month, maybe a little bit longer, I have been working behind the scenes on a Kickstarter, designing a whole enamel pin collection that I wish to launch using Kickstarter. I will be going more into detail about this on Wednesday. So the whole thing is going to be launching on Wednesday. I'm going to have like special deals where I do like 24-hour special kind of prices, that sort of stuff, like exclusive early bird deals. But I'm going to be talking about that mainly in detail on Wednesday. I just wanted to give you a bit of behind the scenes of me designing the pins, that sort of stuff, and all of how I've basically created the Kickstarter page. It's such a big task to be able to create one. Honestly, it takes absolutely forever, but I do have a preview page up now, which you can sign up to, get an email alert for when the project launches. And like I said, it's going to launch on Wednesday, but you can go through and have a little sneak peek right now at some of the designs and stuff. There's going to be washi tape, there's going to be tote bags, there's going to be stickers, there's going to be obviously the pins. And yeah, I absolutely love all of them. So I will leave that information down below, and I'm going to flash you back to a couple of weeks ago. Now, I think it's a couple of weeks ago, I'm not even that sure. I'm editing it right now, but I figured I didn't even tell you what the project was. But yeah, I'm launching a Kickstarter on Wednesday. You heard it here first, and here's a bit of behind the scenes of what I've been up to. So today has been mainly a on the computer kind of thing. I've just basically been making the header image to the Kickstarter page, which is pretty much all complete. I do want to put a few other bits on there, but I'm having to do that after I've done the next couple of bits that's lined up for the rest of the week. I also received tote bag samples today. Absolutely love some of them, and I'm definitely going to be going for those. They are a lot more expensive than all of the other ones that I got samples of as well, but to be honest, the quality is a solid 10 out of 10, and that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for really high quality pieces. Like, I could go for the cheaper ones, which are more like standard tote bags that most other people kind of use, but I figured push the boat out, why not? They even have like little rounded corners. Don't know if you can see that, but love that. And I'm going to go with the natural color, and then this color here as well, pastel pink. Look how lovely these are. Absolutely love them. So these are organic cotton. They are, you know, fully certified, chlorine free, everything like that, and they feel so good. Honestly, they're like 4 times heavier than the regular ones, which is crazy, but they also feel so good because they're actually a brushed cotton. So hopefully that is going to make all the difference. Like, when I picked this up, I was like, oh my goodness, like this one feels amazing. They do also have it in a blue, and I did think about adding that as an option as well, but I don't know if many people want the tote bags, which is absolutely fine because I'm fine to keep them anyway because I love them. I actually cannot wait to get myself the samples made up so that I can keep them. I won't lie. I was thinking about making the tote bags completely myself because I do so for business. I could probably make something similar quality, but it would again take up a bunch of my time, and I probably would come out even more expensive than buying those ones, even though they are quite pricey, especially for a wholesale piece. But yeah, the quality of those is really, really nice, so I'm going to be going with those. So I have to set up all of my rewards now. That's what I'm halfway through doing, just working out the prices of things and how things are going to like bundle together to like add on, you know, as like a 5-pin set, that sort of stuff. I also want to do early bird bundles. Love doing early bird in my last Kickstarter, so I'm going to be doing that for the rest of the evening, and then a few little graphic pieces to put on there. And besides that, that's pretty much all I've got going on today. I say all I've got going on, it's literally 3:30 and I haven't stopped all day, but I'm feeling good, we're getting it done, and yeah, hopefully we're going to make this in time. Okay, so I'm fairly confident the Kickstarter page is now complete. It's actually Monday, by the way. Hello. All weekend I pretty much was sorting out some stuff in real life. My drains got blocked, which was lovely. And as a homeowner, it was something I had to sort myself. So that took up quite a bit of time. But in between all of that, I was able to just sit down with the iPad, get drawing graphics, all of that. I probably did like a little time-lapse thing because I did film parts of it. And to be honest, I don't want loads of that just in this video. So yeah, I just made up the graphics, and once I had like the initial color scheme down, it was pretty easy to go. So I may as well just show you the page. Why not? So yeah, this is what it's looking like. Hello. So like the main graphic on here is like the pink and blue kind of check. Really liking that. Just got the designs there, the logo there, got a little bit of the washi tape peeking out just as a little sneak preview. Hopefully then that'll be obviously the first thing people will see, and hopefully it really like gravitate towards that. I then made this about graphic, and then with a little bit of intro, and then I made all of the rewards graphics as well, just each individual kind of goal there. Honestly, I don't know if we're gonna make this at all, just because obviously, I don't know, I always have lots of self-doubt at this stage, like, oh my god, should I be doing this? Is anyone even gonna like it? So this one here is like my original kind of goal. I just love this. I think it's gorgeous. It's obviously got the baguette on it and Pigg all in one, so I think that's a really good first place to start. Then got Baguette Boi just separate as the second goal because I think that would be amazing. And then put Pigg with the little whisk and the bowl because I love that graphic, and the little hat on there, oh so cute, and the apron. And then I've got Pigg and Baguette Boi like as their whole bodies, and then I've got this one here which is going to be like a special pin with like all gold all around with Baker's Gonna Bake on it. I really like that. And then with these like pastel blue little handles on the rolling pin, just love them. So they're all going to be gold toned metal like my other pins were. I've already got quotes and everything from the same supplier that I used on one of my pins, which was amazing. That one had the best quality pins. The color matches were perfect. I did use different manufacturers for my pins on my last one, so I was able to test out 3 different manufacturers, and I've narrowed it down to the one that I like the most from that, so I'm really happy with that. I've also got this add-ons section, which is something that I didn't have on my last Kickstarter, but I realize now how important it is to like build up a collection and then obviously offer extra things as well to be able to help you get towards that goal. So I've got vinyl stickers. Obviously now I've worked out my manufacturers, that sort of stuff, and worked out effects and stuff. So these ones here are going to be glossy, and then that one is going to be like a white glitter on there as well. Just love the idea of that. So yeah, I'm going to offer them individually as well as a set. Then I've got the handmade charms there. If you see on my Etsy store, you would see me like, you know, sell these anyway, but I've got the mini baguette charm and then the Pigg charm. So they're set at the same price as on my Etsy, but obviously you won't have to pay any shipping if you want to include any of these with the pins, that sort of stuff. The next thing is the tote bags, mocked up images of those with the totes, the logos, everything. And I adore them. So I got the natural and the black, and then the pink with the white. The bags, honestly, you guys know how much I'm loving them. And then I also designed 2 whole designs of washi tape over the weekend, which is crazy. There's so much designing going on. So I made this blue one here, like a pastel blue one with Pigg, and like a few of the bakery boys on there as well. And then on the yellow one, it's just like bakery kind of boys, just like baguettes, croissants and that sort of stuff, like with faces on. So all that. Then I've got like individual kind of bakery drawings, illustrations without faces on, all in between. I then have all the information of those, all the shipping info, timeline, and then at the bottom here I've also put like my previous work, so you can go on this and check it out. I will have a preview page coming up, and then once this is live, obviously I'm going to show you guys. But yeah, I've done my previous work on this one, which I was able to do. So I've got my enamel pins, which I love those. I've got the washi tapes, and then I've got obviously the charms that are handmade, and then just Pigg as a vinyl sticker, just to kind of give an overview of that. So I've been looking over this so many times. I've also got obviously all of the rewards set up here. There's so many on this one because obviously the early bird ones are still on there. So they will be up for 24 hours like when the project launches, and then afterwards they'll kind of be like doled out down at the bottom, and then the live ones will still be there. But yeah, that's how the page is looking. Now I need to send it to review. This usually takes 1 to 3 days, somewhere around that. I probably will say somewhere. They get a review, it may take up to 3 business days. If your product is approved, you can launch it when you're ready. So you can still do some edits and that sort of stuff, but I think I'm going to send this to review now because I'm really happy with them. And yeah, wish me the best of luck. Your project is now in review. Stay tuned. You will get a response by March the 25th, 2021. That's the day I'm hoping to get this video up. No, I'm not. I'm hoping to get this video up on 24th. So hopefully we will know about it before then. Oh, so nervous. I get so nervous doing new things, but it's okay. Gotta do new things. Gotta make yourself feel nervous in order to move on, to progress. Oh, hello there. I don't know why I wanted to do that. I wanted to wear my new bag with my Baguette plush. Look at me go. I didn't end this vlog and I thought that would be a cute way to end it, and in reality I realised how weird that was, but the studio vlog is now at an end and I'm going to be posting it literally in about 2 hours time. The pre-launch page is ready to go. We did get accepted and approved. It took 6 days, I think it was. It was meant to take up to 3. My last Kickstarter took 12 hours, but we're all approved, all ready to go. We won't talk about that wait. It was horrible. I was waiting like every minute felt like an hour with that. Since then though, I made this big Baguette plush. I've done a DIY on my channel, so you can check that out. I'll leave the link down in the description for that. Got my bag. Should I just move the camera? Just move the camera. Look. Here's my Pigg's Bakery bag, the pink and white colourway. There is a natural and a black colourway, and I've also made, look at this, these little pins here. Look at them, they're so cute. Lost 2 nails casually throughout the week. But yeah, look at this bag. I love it, it's adorable. It's so cute, honestly. I'll just move you up, hide all my mess. But, oh, look at it. I love it, it's so big as well. Like, this plush is pretty big, the whole thing fits in there. Look at it, it's so cute. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me on today's video. Like I said, it has just been a bit of behind the scenes, and the Kickstarter will be launching on Wednesday, but there is a pre-launch page which you can sign up to get an alert for when the project goes live. I will be posting about this on my Instagram. I'll have a countdown timer to when the Kickstarter is going to be launching. I'll be posting sneak peeks on there, so make sure that you follow me obviously over on Instagram. And yeah, I'm going to leave this vlog here. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you on Wednesday for the launch of the Kickstarter. I'm so nervous. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for watching.